Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you how to replace the battery on a PDTS. The battery should last a very long time, but you may end up with a bad battery, or you may just be planning for the future and watching this video 10 years from now. First thing you got to do is get it off the wall. This can be a little tricky, but it's not super hard. You just need a bent paper clip. There are 4 holes on the bottom. The bracket is held on by the 2 outside holes. So first we press on one and it releases. Then we press on the other and it comes off the wall. Now we've got our PDTS. Now we need to remove the screws that hold the casing on over the PCB. For that, I'm going to use a T6 star drive screwdriver. I'm sure there's a metric equivalent for it, but in the US, T6 is the way to go. Okay, once you've got the screws removed, we're going to pop the back off. And here is the PCB. Now you might be wondering, just like I was the first time I did this, where's the battery? I'm looking in, I'm like, is there a cap somewhere? Is it soldered on like some of the old time clocks? It's underneath the housing. So right inside this housing is the battery. It is a CR1632 lithium ion battery. Just a watch battery like you can get at any hardware store. Once you've got that done, now you just put it back in reverse order. Take your new battery and pop it in, put the case back on, make sure the pins align with the pins here. Once that's in, you just tighten your screws and put it back on the wall. Make sure after you're done to go into System Builder or the settings on the touchscreen and reset the time, because it will have lost what time it is. Thanks.